Okay, so this one we're gonna film. We're kind of in this area near Sano Square a little bit, but it's this really cool looking building, and I see it sometimes. And we're kind of in, like, you can see some of these other buildings. So these are just regular apartments, and you can see kind of the staggered, kind of cool stuff like that. But it's like right next to this one. Then this building is a rather plain, unusual one with kind of strange windows. It's kind of interesting. But I don't know if you know what that means in Chinese. Just let me know. I'm really curious. The translation might say. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. The translation might say it's probably a building name, but it could also be something different. So let's just kind of take a look and see. So we're gonna try to go up this one, and we have this straight that way, and let's check it out. Exhibition hall, okay. I guess because of COVID, there's restrictions to visiting now, so limited hours. And let's just see what else it says. Okay, well, all right. So this is basically. Then we'll flip around to the other side too. So this is kind of an interesting building. Pharmacy, a Chinese pharmacy. So yeah, we'll walk down there in a minute. We'll just kind of check down the street and then come up here again. So, okay. It's kind of cool looking. Up, over, out, and let's walk down this way. So they're closing that one up. Okay. So let's go see what's in this neighborhood in this really weird building. I'd like to know the history of that one. These windows are strange. See how look at those windows? Look like bars to a jail cell or something. Weird. Okay, this one could use some paint. This could be a really cool one, but it's looks like it's not really not well painted. So basically, let's see. So this is kind of the main street that we just came down. Police car, that's what they look like. And then this one. It's like a pension house. So I guess this is a pension house, but it looks like it's not really used anymore. But it had these, once upon a time it had nice balconies. Let's kind of go up and take a look. Aplauso de humano. So I don't know. Let's see. Palova Real do Chito El Peñor. I don't know. But this is basically where we're at. And let's just kind of take a look at this little area. More cool buildings all the way down that way. And we're gonna walk across the street real quick. We'll try to film from this side as well. So there's these cool buildings. There's this one, which is some kind of pension house historically with cool Chinese letters. And then actually at one point this kind of cool thing would have went down to where Pont 16 was at. So this stuff would have been kind of a main street with some really beautiful buildings at one time. So we're just gonna step out like this. Let's just see. I think what we're gonna try to do is try to cross the street. So we'll take a look at the other side. There's this wall all the way down. And then let's just kind of capture that a little bit. Yeah, pretty cool streets. Association something of Macau. Then you can see all the way down as well. So let's just see. Oops. It's gonna step out, but there's a bus coming right there. Well, maybe I won't. But anyways, there's Pont 16, which is where the ferries used to come in. So this would have been kind of a main street. So when people would come in through the ferries, they'd come up here, and they'd probably see this kind of stuff, and then they'd up and then you can go down these other little alleys. So and this kind of nice little facade here. And then if you go down here at the base, there's Rua de Felicidade, which is kind of where the traditional Constitution area would have been a long time ago. Should we go down that way? How crowded that bus is, wow. So yeah, but this would have been the main street, and it would have been all the way down. Let's just go up there briefly. Since we're here and since I mentioned it, I guess I feel somewhat obligated, and it's quite close as well. But we're gonna just end this at Felicidade There's all this gold here. It's kind of, I usually think of that as like a good place to launder money, I guess, or anybody that wants to buy gold at cheap prices. There are alleys everywhere. And then right up here at the corner, there's this Chinese sign right here. And this has been here for 100 years, something like that. But yeah, I think so. People would have come in from that port 100 years ago, or even 50 years ago, and less. I don't know when it changed over, maybe 20, 30 years ago. So, and then this would be Rua de Felicidade. So this would be all, these would be little like whorehouses basically. Like there's like little places, not really, more like a geisha, Japanese geisha. So they would like entertain people and you'd climb up the stairs. Okay, so we're gonna end the video here. This is called Rua de Felicidade. So I have filmed up and down the street a few other times, and I like it, so I definitely will come by and film this another time. But that's where I'll end this video, and hope you enjoyed it. And again, make some comments down below, and chat about anything you want down in the comments, and I'll interact with you guys.